Hi, everybody. Welcome to Creative Pouring by Cheryl. I'm Cheryl. Today, I'm going to go ahead and do this little egg bird plaque thing. And I'm going to use my Temu Chameleon powders that I've got. I've got different colors laid out. I've got well, it's hard for me to read them. This one's golden blue green, champagne gold green. I got my glasses on now. Purple, blue, red, orange, purple, red, golden, and this one is blue, purple, red. And I just got a little bitty doodad here, and I'm gonna start going ahead and of course, look at this mess I made. 5 seconds in and I'm already doing this mess. Let me clean up some of this to use it. Paint the birds. Oops. I will speed this part up for you so you don't have to sit there and watch me and listen to me for as long as this takes, because this is going to take a few. and we will see. We'll see. Look, we got one here. Just clean up the outside. I'll be back when my resin is mixed up so that I can pour this. I'm going to pour it in white background, I believe. Okay, we'll be back. All right, I've got my resin mixed up. I put a tray underneath it so that I can move it easily and work on something else. Let's go ahead and mix up the color. I want to do I think I'm going to do a white mica powder behind it with a little bit of splash of, well, no, I don't even need that. Let's just do some white behind it because I put that Aurora powder on top of it. And we'll just put a little bit of this, well, yeah, put a little bit of this white in there. I'm not making it too opaque, just a little bit. Stir it up real good. Ah, powder bomb. Oh, sorry. I talk about powder bombs a lot. What I'm talking about is when they explode like they just did. You got to stir up the mica really good. I should have put it on the bottom before I put the resin in, but I've made some resin up and I've split it into several cups to work on with different things. That way I don't have to sit there and mix up a bunch or mix up a little bit and then go on and then mix up a little bit more and then go on. I just have it mixed up sitting there waiting on me, which makes life a lot easier. This is just some of my white mica powder. Get it up out of the handle. It's easy to work with. Okay, let's go ahead and pour. We'll pour these in. The doves first, or little birds first. I'm going to squeeze them a little bit to get it in all those nooks and crannies. Because there's a lot of nooks and crannies on this one. That's why I put all that mica powder in the cracks and then wiped them off, because I wanted to get them in those cracks. I thought it would be cool just to have the cracks that way. I know, stop saying cracks. What I'm doing is open it up so they go in there. Because, yeah, it would be nice to use the mica brush, but the problem is I would scratch that I would scratch the mica powder off. See if I can get it down in there a little bit. I know you do this with Jesmonite and mixed to mold stuff, but I thought maybe it would work. Actually, you see that bubble that just came up? It is working. Let me get my spray, alcohol spray, and spray those bubbles. There. I am not touching the mold itself, I'm just touching the bubbles. And I'm hoping that it turns out good to where there's no bubbles on it on the backside when I demold it later. All right, that should be good. All right, I will be back when this is ready to demold. My fingers are all icky sticky anyway. And I will see you then. Hi everybody, it's demolding day. Let's see how good we did on this little egg thingy. This egg plaque, I guess you would call it. Well, it looks like I picked up most of it. Let's see. Well, it don't look too bad. I have some overflow right here. I think it would have been better had I just gone clear in the back. But you see how it just has that flower raised? Yeah, I think I did a pretty decent job on that. It's not the best, but it'll do. It's matte. That's another thing. But that's okay. I like matte. I will clean this up. I'll have to get my little clippers and cut that down. But I'll clean this up and I will take pictures. And thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It'll tell you when it'll help you find my videos. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button as well. It'll help my channel. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.